Hi guys, are you looking for the best deep fryer? If you received a new deep fryer, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best deep fryer on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 1. Tefal 3.5 liters deep fryer. The Tefal 3.5 liters deep fryer is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance designed to make frying a breeze. With a 3.5-liter oil capacity, this deep fryer allows you to prepare larger portions of your favorite fried foods, from crispy chicken wings to golden French fries. Its standout features is its adjustable temperature control, which gives you the flexibility to cook different foods at their ideal frying temperatures. The fryer also comes with a large, removable frying basket that makes it easy to lower food in and lift it out of the hot roll safely. Number 2. Cuisinart CD F130 Deep Fryer. It is a high-quality, user-friendly kitchen appliance designed for those who love to fry at home. With a 3.4-liter oil capacity, this deep fryer is perfect for cooking generous portions of crispy favorites such as French fries, chicken, shrimp, and more. It is designed for convenience and safety. It comes with a large, removable fry basket that has a cool touch handle for safe operation, preventing burns when lowering or lifting food. Additionally, the fryer has a viewing window in the lid. Number 3. OVENTE Electric Deep Fryer. The OVENTE Electric Deep Fryer is an affordable and efficient kitchen appliance designed to deliver crispy, deep-fried foods with ease. Ideal for home use, this deep fryer features a 2.3-liter oil capacity, which is perfect for preparing small to medium-sized batches of your favorite fried snacks like French fries, chicken tenders, or onion rings. The OVENTE Electric Deep Fryer is designed with safety in mind. Its cool touch exterior helps protect you from burns while handling the fryer, and the removable basket comes with the comfortable handle to safely lower and lift food from the hot. Number 4. Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer. The Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to deliver restaurant-quality fried food at home. With a generous 4.5-liter oil capacity, it allows you to prepare large portions of your favorite fried dishes, such as crispy chicken, French fries, tempura, and more, making it an excellent choice for families or gatherings. Number 5. National Presto 05461 Stainless Steel Pro Fry. The National Presto 05461 Stainless Steel Pro Fry is a high-performance deep fryer designed for home cooks who want to achieve professional-level frying results. With its 6-cup 1.9-liter oil capacity, this fryer is perfect for preparing smaller to medium-sized batches of fried foods like French fries, chicken, shrimp, and more. The deep fryer's sleek stainless steel exterior not only adds a professional touch to your kitchen, but also ensures durability and easy maintenance. The removable frying basket features a cool touch handle for safe lifting, and the fryer's lid helps minimize splattering while you cook.